Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 32 how to escape a shadow ban on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using your computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the top, click on the application itself called GRIDS, and then make sure we are signed in. Click on the profile logo on the navigation bar and then navigate to a post that we have posted to the page. If not, go back to the tutorials that show you how to post a video or photo. Make sure we have a couple of tags that let us know that the video and photo is able to be broadcasted to a lot of people. The only way to check if you have been shadow banned or not is to click on a hashtag, which is why I always tell people to make new hashtags. Do not rely on Instagram to push your photo to the top with just a single hashtag or single hashtags. That's why I have a Word document that I made for the previous tutorials, 27 new tags. I will now click on the tag called Computer Science Videos and my posts are visible to the world. If you are shadow banned, when you click on a hashtag, your post will never come up because you told Instagram that you reuse the same tags over and over again. So Instagram was thinking this could be the spam videos and posts, which is why they are no longer or never visible to others who then click the hashtag. Which is why it is very important to make your own hashtags. My account itself is called Computer Science Videos. That's why I have tags that are computer science related, computer science videos, computer 2019, science 2019 videos, all stem from computing. How do we escape a shadow ban? Make your own tags. Switch the tags up, have a schedule, and make sure you post on a regular basis. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.